I'm gonna show you a fast, simple, and cheap way to replace a window if it ever get broken here in your car or in your truck or in your house or whatever. Say for instance, this window right here, if it ever gets broken, the only thing you have to do and the only thing you need, I'm gonna show you right here, a piece of plexiglass. That's all you need, a piece of plexiglass, and it's flexible, so it's not gonna crack, and it's clear. It's got this plastic cover on the front and back. You need a piece of cardboard, a grinder, some silicone. Make sure it's clear. You want the clear kind. It's gonna go on white, but it'll clear up after a day or two, and you need a marker. So what you wanna do is just take your cardboard box or a piece of paper, whatever you got as a template, and you put it up on your vehicle, and you go from the inside and you mark it out. And once you mark it out, you can cut that piece of cardboard out and you put it here on your plexiglass. And once you put it on your plexiglass, you take your marker and just go around it and outline it. Then what you want to do is take your grinder here and make sure you got on safety glasses and a long shirt and protect your eyes. And you use this and you just follow the template, or follow the guide, and it'll cut out real quickly. It's easy. And once you do that, you take the piece of plexiglass and you fit it up on your window. And it's not a perfect cut, but it's good enough, because I've seen people with duct tape and everything hanging out the side of the car. But you take that plexiglass and then you take some silicone and go all the way around. And like I said, it's gonna go on white, but in a day or two, it'll turn clear and it'll look really professional. And some of them, if it's broken real bad, you could push this in where it just snaps in. If you got it cut really good, it'll just snap in. You may not even need any silicone, but it's best to put silicone on just in case of the weather, the rain. And that's all to it, you know. And I'm gonna show you a car I fixed yesterday. I helped somebody out yesterday. They had a broken window. I couldn't stand it. They've been having duct tape on this. I said, let me go ahead and fix it. So I fixed it for them. It only took about 15, 20 minutes. You know, my wife said I'm OCD. I don't like to see stuff broken. So I went on and fixed this person's car, and they really appreciated it. They thought it was very professional. But check it out. This is what the car looks like now. Okay, this is the car right here that I put the plexiglass window in. As you can see, they already had some duct tape stuff on it, so that stuff's really sticky. But you see, it don't look too bad. And when this stuff completely dry, it's gonna turn clear. So it's the clear kind. So I'm gonna put a little bit more silicone on it, and right here probably just put a little bit on. It really don't need it because it's just temporary, but as you can see, it's pretty solid and it looks pretty good, you know, just for a temporary glass. And you can do this for your house, your trucks, your cars, or anything else. And like I said, this duct tape that they had on it before, this stuff is hard to come off. So don't use duct tape. Just get some plexiglass and do what I said do. And there you go. There go what it looks like right there. It's not bad.